Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to install Laravel. These are some steps to install Laravel. First, installation of server for PHP, installation of Composer, installation of Laravel, creating a new project, installation of a code editor. First of all, we will install a server on our computer to compile PHP code. We have to install a server on our computer. There are three types of servers on the basis of operating system. First is XAMPP server, second is LAMP server, and third is WAMP server. XAMPP server is used on any operating system, either it can be Windows, Linux or Mac OS. LAMP server run only on Linux operating system and WAMP server run only on Windows operating system. To install XAMPP, we have to download XAMPP server. XAMPP server for Windows, XAMPP server for Linux and XAMPP for OS X. We're gonna download 8.1.6. Click on download. It will start downloading. After download XAMPP server, double click on it. We can change drive here. It will take some time. The second step after XAMPP installation, we have to install Composer for Laravel. To download Composer, we can search in Google Composer download. This will show us getcomposer.org. Click on it. It will show you composer setup.exe file. You have to click on it and then start installation. Select install for all users. We don't need developer mode. Click next. It is default path. We have to change the path. We installed our XAMPP in D drive, D XAMPP, and then PHP, and then php.exe file. click on add this PHP to your path. Next, click on next and then install. Finish it. It will show you Composer. Now third step is to install Laravel. To install Laravel, search in Google Laravel. We will open the first link laravel.com. Go to the documentation. Scroll down. You will see first Laravel project. Your first Laravel project. There are two methods to install Laravel. First project will install your project, and second way is to install Laravel globally and then install project. We will choose second method. We will install Laravel globally. Open command prompt, then run it. Now it's installed. To download Laravel project, we installed XAMPP in D drive. CD XAMPP htdocs. In htdocs, we will run this Laravel new and our project folder name like new project. It will take some time to install. Now we can see our project in htdocs. This is our project. There are two ways to run Laravel. First is go to the installed path. XAMPP, htdocs and our project. Type cmd here. Use command prompt. Use artisan command php artisan serve. Copy this path. It will show you your first page of your project. The second way to run this project, Copy htdocs and index both files from public folder to the root folder. Move both files. Make some changes in index.php. Remove this slash only. Remove this slash only. Open up your browser and type localhost new project, your project folder name. It will show you welcome page. This is the best way to run Laravel if you wanna deploy your project on the server.